Welcome to our channel Daily English Practice.
Hi. You made it.
Yes, I wouldn't miss it.
Hi. You made it.
Yes, I wouldn't miss it.
Whose side are you from?
I'm the groom's friend.
Whose side are you from?
I'm the groom's friend.
Are you enjoying the wedding?
Yes, it's beautiful.
Are you enjoying the wedding?
Yes, it's beautiful.
Have you tried the food?
Not yet, is it good?
Have you tried the food?
Not yet, is it good?
The decorations are amazing.
I agree, they look great.
The decorations are amazing.
I agree, they look great.
How do you know the bride?
She's my friend's sister.
How do you know the bride?
She's my friend's sister.
Who did the bride's makeup?
I think a professional artist.
Who did the bride's makeup?
I think a professional artist.
Where is the ceremony?
In the main hall.
Where is the ceremony?
In the main hall.
Is this your first Indian wedding?
Yes, it's so colorful.
Is this your first Indian wedding?
Yes, it's so colorful.
Did you see the wedding dress?
Yes, it's beautiful.
Did you see the wedding dress?
Yes, it's beautiful.
Are you going to dance later?
Maybe, if you join me.
Are you going to dance later?
Maybe, if you join me.
How do you like the music?
It's really lively.
Did you meet the groom's family?
Not yet, are they nice?
Where are you sitting?
Table number 5.
Have you tried the sweets?
Yes, they're delicious.
Who is that with the bride?
That's her cousin.
Are you staying for the whole event?
Yes, I want to see everything.
Did you bring a gift?
Yes, I hope she likes it.
How do you know the family?
We are neighbors.
Isn't the bride looking lovely?
She looks like a princess.
Are you taking photos?
Yes, I want to remember this.
Who is the best dancer here?
I think it's the bride's brother.
Did you enjoy the ceremony?
Yes, it was so touching.
What time does the dinner start?
Around 8 p.m., I think.
Are you wearing traditional clothes?
Yes, I borrowed this curtain.
Who made the wedding cake?
The bride's aunt.
Are you here with family?
No, I came with friends.
Did you help with the decorations?
Yes, I hung the lights.
Are you going to the after party?
Yes, it sounds fun.
How long have you known the bride?
Since childhood.
What's your favorite part so far?
The dance performances.
Did you see the couple's entrance?
Yes, it was grand.
Are you taking videos?
Just a few on my phone.
Did you get a wedding favor?
Yes, it's a cute candle.
Who is the MC tonight?
The bride's uncle.
Are you staying at the hotel?
Yes, just for one night.
Did you meet any new friends?
Yes, everyone is friendly.
Are you going to dance now?
Come on, let's go.
How did you like the rituals?
They were interesting.
Did you see the Mehendi designs?
Yes, they are beautiful.
Are you hungry?
Yes, let's get some food.
Did you see the photo booth?
Yes, let's take a picture.
Who caught the bouquet?
The bride's friend.
Are you wearing new shoes?
Yes, and they hurt.
Did you enjoy the music?
Yes, I loved it.
Who is the DJ?
My cousin.
Are you going to meet the bride?
Yes, after dinner.
Did you see the fireworks?
Yes, they were amazing.
Are you tired?
A little, but I'm having fun.
Did you see the couples dance?
Yes, it was so sweet.
Are you taking selfies?
Of course, it's a wedding.
Who is your favorite guest?
The bride's grandmother, she's so kind.
Did you help with the wedding prep?
Yes, I helped set the tables.
Are you ready for dessert?
Yes, I love sweets.
Did you meet the bride's parents?
Yes, they are very nice.
Are you going to write in the guest book?
Yes, I want to leave a message.
Did you see the wedding invitation?
Yes, it was pretty.
Who is the little flower girl?
The bride's niece.
Are you enjoying the party?
Yes, it's great.
Did you see the wedding photos?
Yes, they look wonderful.
Are you going to the next ceremony?
Yes, I plan to.
Did you try the snacks?
Yes, the samosas are tasty.
Who is singing now?
The groom's friend.
Are you wearing jewelry?
Yes, borrowed from my sister.
Did you see the couple's rings?
Yes, they are beautiful.
Are you going to catch the bouquet?
I'll try.
Did you see the bride's entry?
Yes, she looked so happy.
Who is the photographer?
A family friend.
Are you staying till the end?
Yes, I want to.
Did you see the wedding car?
Yes, it's decorated nicely.
Are you wearing a sari?
No, I'm wearing a dress.
Did you see the bride's jewelry?
Yes, it's lovely.
Are you going to eat now?
Yes, I'm starving.
Did you see the wedding gifts?
Yes, there are so many.
Who is the best dressed?
The bride, of course.
Are you going to dance with me?
Sure, let's go.
Did you see the wedding cake?
Yes, it's huge.
Are you having fun?
Yes, lots of fun.
Did you meet the groom's friends?
Yes, they are funny.
Are you going to take more photos?
Yes, I want to remember this day.
Did you see the couple's first look?
Yes, it was emotional.
Are you going to say goodbye to the couple?
Yes, before I leave.
Did you see the bride's shoes?
Yes, they are pretty.
Are you wearing flowers in your hair?
Yes, for the wedding.
Did you see the family dance?
Yes, it was fun.
Are you going to help clean up?
Sure, after the party.
Did you see the wedding video?
Yes, it was nice.
Are you going to eat dessert?
Yes, I can't wait.
Did you meet the bride's friends?
Yes, they are lovely.
Are you going to the next wedding?
Maybe, if I'm invited.
Did you see the couple's parents?
Yes, they look so happy.
Are you wearing new clothes?
Yes, for the wedding.
Did you see the wedding dance?
Yes, it was great.
Are you going to the photo booth?
Yes, let's go together.
Did you see the wedding planner?
Yes, she's busy.
Are you going to have tea?
Yes, after dinner.
Did you see the couple exchange rings?
Yes, it was sweet.
Are you enjoying the decorations?
Yes, they are beautiful.
Did you see the bride's family?
Yes, they are very welcoming.
Are you happy for the couple?
Yes, I wish them all the best.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more English practice.